No, Cameron. No, look at Mommy. Can you scare Mommy? Oh my goodness, that's so scary. You see Daddy? What's Daddy doing? Say hi, Uncle Dylan. Hi, Dylan. Can you scare Uncle Dylan? Whoa! Daddy's making a mess. Cameron, look at Mommy. Can you say, I'm hungry?
I'm hungry.
I love when you say that. One more time, Cameron.
Go say hello.
Say, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Could you, come here, Cameron. One more thing. Can you say, I love you, Dylan?
I'm hungry.